Friends, Madras Medical College, Chennai is one of the oldest medical college in India. In this video, we will discuss about the different category reservation system as well as the total available seats, the total fee structure for MBBS in Madras Medical College, Chennai, as well as what was the cutoff in 2019, how many marks it was required to get admission in MBBS in 2018 and 19, what will be the expected cutoff of 2020 for different category students, the minimum marks required in NEET 2020 to get admission in MBBS in Madras Medical College, Chennai, what will be the expected score, we will discuss in this video. You please stay tuned with Medica Wing. Hello and a grand welcome to all of you on your favorite neat informative channel Medica Wing. Friends, let's start the video on Madras Medical College and let's see each and every detail about Madras Medical College from the fee structure to the available seats and cutoff, expected cutoff for NEET 2020. So friends, now we are on the official website of MCI, Medical Council of India, and according to this, when we search for MBBS, then in Tamil Nadu there are total 26 government colleges, and apart from that, one of the best college is Madras Medical College. Talking about Madras Medical College, then there are total 250 seats are available in Madras Medical College, and it is mentioned here, you can clearly see it here. And iske baad friends, we will be discuss about the total fee structure and the details of Madras Medical College. Then the All India quota fee for All India candidate, that is for AIQ, is 30,600 rupees. It is mentioned here. And talking about the hostel facility, then yes, of course there is a hostel facility for male and female. The monthly hostel due is 1,000 rupees. If there is any special penalty, then yes, there is an special penalty in case you resign after the final round of counseling, then you have to pay rupees 10 lakh. Right now we will discuss about the cutoff of 2018 and 2019 for Madras Medical College, and we will also discuss the state quota cutoff. Now friends, here is the list of All India quota allotment in 2019, right? So according to this, when for talking about the general category, then general category, the opening rank it was 81 and the closing rank for Madras Medical College it was 912. It means friends, for Madras Medical College you must be in top 1000 candidate for when talking about the All India quota, and your rank should be must be in 1000, the top 1000. And in 2020 the seats are going to be increased in different colleges. New colleges are being attached with the medical council, as well as AIIMS and JIPMER is merged, so no doubt that the cutoff will go down in each and every college. So according to that, Madras Medical College cutoff will also go down, and for general category in 2000 for All India quota it is going to be around 2200 to 2500, because 1550 seats are available in AIIMS and JIPMER, and both colleges are being merged in NEET. The admission of these colleges will be done through NEET only. So the counseling, talking about the Madras Medical College, then the cutoff will go for general category down by 1500 rank, and it will be go around 2200 to 2500 for All India quota candidates general category. Okay, so now talking about the All India category for OBC, then friends, here are the details. And again in OBC candidates the allotment was 898 All India quota, and this time in 2020 it is also going to have 1000 rank only. Okay, so you must be in top 1000 if you are from OBC quota. Okay, now talking about SC and ST, then here are the details, and this is the list of round 1 counseling for 2019. For ST candidate it was final allotment was 20,604, and for SC candidate the final allotment was 12,760. Now friend, this is the All India quota only. We will discuss about the state quota admission later in this video. So for ST and SC, if you wish that you should get college through All India ranking, then your ranking must be in top 15,000 for SC quota and top 25,000 for ST candidate category, right? Now friends, talking about the PWD category for All India quota. The last allotment in 2019 it was 60,425, and this time it is going to be down by 10 to 15,000 ranks. So if you are from PWD category and you belongs to general category, then your ranking must be in top 75,000 to get a seat in All India quota Madras Medical College for MBBS. Now we will discuss about the state quota, and here are the list of state quota of 2019, and again there is a list of 2018 for state quota, and both the cases we will discuss the eligibility for general category as well as for unreserved as well as OBC and PH candidate, right? So friends, in 2018, let's see the cutoff, the mark required for admission in MBBS. Then in 2018 for unreserved category, the last closing mark was 599, means the candidate having 599 marks in 2018 was able to get admission in Madras Medical College. While talking about 2019, then the marks in 2019 it was closest to the minimum was 618, means it is required 618 marks was required to get admission in 2019 for open category, and this time in 2020 these marks will go slightly down, but as I already explained you that this rank will go down, but we cannot show that the marks will go down or go up, because it solely depends on the performance of the candidates in 2020 in NEET examination. But it should be around the 600 marks when we talk about Madras Medical College. So if you are from open category and you wish that you should get admission in Madras Medical College for state quota, then your marks must be around 600, or if it is above 600 then it will be good for you for Madras Medical College for open category, right? Now we will discuss about the different other category. Then for BC candidate, the minimum marks in 2019 it was required for BC candidate, means backward classes, and it was 596. 123 it was for PH category, friends, do remind this, and for BC open category this was 596 in 2019. And talking about the 2018, friends, then here are the list. You have to check on BC and then you have to again take care, and they will get, this is PH candidate 208 and 499 it was in 2018. No doubt that in 2019 it went up, but in 2020 it will go down, and because seats are being increased in so many different colleges. Now talking about the BCM candidate, means backward classes Muslims, then here the Muslim candidate in 2019 it was 560, and for 2018 BCM it was 551. Okay, so in 2020 it is going to be around 550 marks for backward class and Muslim candidates, right friends? Now talking about the other category, that is MBC and DNC. MBC DNC are the for most backward classes. This is going to be around 457 marks, and this was in 2018. And for 2019, when we talk about the most backward classes, then it was minimum 550 marks, right? For Madras Medical College in 2019, for MBC candidate most backward classes it was 550. In 2018 it was 457. Okay, so friends, in 2020 it is going to be around 530 marks as analyzed by the expert of Medcoving. So for MBC candidate in 2020 the marks required would be around 530. If you score more than 530 and if you score more than 550, then it is good for you to get a seat in Madras Medical College, right friends? Now talking about the 2019 SC candidate, then the minimum allotment was 483 for SC category, and for 2018 SC category it was the minimum mark required for normal candidate. For PH it was 124, for normal candidate it was 380. Okay, so in 2019 it was 483, but in 2018 it was 380. So in 2020 it is expected that this marks will go down in 2020, and the total marks required will be around 420 marks for SC category for Madras Medical College. Talking about the ST candidate, then friends, you can easily shortlist this category from the drop down menu here, and I am uploading this document with the description of this video so that you can use it for your future reference. And for ST it was 434 marks in 2019. In 2018 ST candidate for male it was 308 marks. Okay, so in 2020 it is going around 400 marks for ST category in 2020 for Madras Medical College. So friends, these are the analysis of 2018 and 19 of different category. However, if you belongs to any category of listed here in this Excel, you can easily download this Excel from the description of the video so that you can have a reference for NEET 2020 examination. You will get an idea that how many marks you required to get admission in Madras Medical College. This was the detail of Madras Medical College. Friends, in our next video we will discuss about the Stanley Medical College, Chennai. So friends, how was this video? If you like this video, please do share this content with your friends, as well as do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you'll never miss an important update on NEET 2020 and 2021. Thank you for watching Medcover. Thanks a lot.